Let's check the situation in hospitals. Joining us now is Philippine General Hospital spokesperson, Dr. Jonas del Rosario. Good morning, Dr. Jonas. Happy New Year. Thanks for joining us. All right, do tell us, what is the situation right now in PGH? Are you seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases?
Yes, we do. We started noticing it right after Christmas. The lowest number that we have recorded was 30 patients admitted in PGH. So we were very happy. That was December 25. And then the next succeeding days, we saw an increasing trend, a steady increase in our admissions, initially about 5 to 8 patients. And over the last few days, it has become like 10 to 15 per day. So from a low of 30, as of yesterday, the recorded number of COVID patients admitted to PGH is 115. So that's almost 4 times the lowest number that we have recorded. Most of our patients are, since we are a COVID referral center, are moderate. We usually will we will also have some asymptomatic and mild cases, and some of these patients can be sent to other hospitals or quarantine facilities. Some would manage themselves at home. Of course, we are a referral center, so we also have a share of the severe cases. Some of them will have to go to the ICU.
All right, doctor, can you tell us more about the nature of the infection of the patients who are in PGH right now? I'm sure you heard the report before you came on. One of the doctors there was saying the cases do seem at least to be milder. Is that the same case in PGH?
Well, since we see a lot of mild cases who come to the ER for some symptoms, and we test them, a lot of mild cases. In fact, we also have a lot of our healthcare workers now being tested because of some mild symptoms. Some are even asymptomatic, but they had some exposure. So I would say when I was looking at the numbers, 70% of our cases are mild to moderate, probably half, and 30% are severe. Most of the symptoms are the usual runny nose, itchy throat, some cough, low-grade fever, some body aches.
All right. Now, with the information that's coming out right now, it seems that Omicron does produce less severe symptoms. It seems to be a milder form of the virus. Can you tell us more about that? And is it really milder, or are we seeing milder cases because more people are vaccinated or have been previously infected?
Well, first is we're not really sure if the cases that we're seeing in PGH are due to the Omicron. It might still be from the Delta, because we have not had any confirmation that some of the patients that we sent our samples to the Philippine Genome Center indeed had the Omicron variant. But having said that, we do know that there are reported cases of community transmission of the Omicron. I think it's a combination. People are, a lot of our healthcare workers who tested positive are fully immunized. Some even had their booster, and so they usually are asymptomatic and mild. And when we look at the numbers, about 60% of the admitted patients in PGH right now are fully vaccinated, and they have the mild to moderate condition.
Right, doctor, we are expecting a surge. We do expect cases will increase during the week. For your hospital, do you have enough oxygen tanks, ventilators, medicines, and all that?
Yeah, so far we do not have any shortage of these supplies. Because of this increasing trend, we made sure that we have the full inventory of the oxygen, some of the medicines. We also have to reopen a ward to accommodate the COVID patients coming in.
All right. We certainly hope that the surge is not as serious as people are saying, but we do have to be prepared. Thank you very much, PGH spokesperson, Dr. Jonas del Rosario.